Okay. Tata David, Tata, you are Mister. No, no. Let's swap. Tata David, you are Mrs. Yeah. Tata David, you are Mister. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Kiam,
Tata David, please.
okay, kiambute negwa.
Kiambo te tata.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Tata David, yes. Remember location.
Right.
Cool. Kwe. Yeah. Kwe.
Yes, I know. Wait, let's see.
Uta. Uta.
Kwe utatuka.
Well done.
Mbanza-Kongo ita tuka.
Tuka. Yeah. Verb. Yeah. Well done. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Tata David. Tata.
Okay. Kwe uta ibinganga.
Kwe uzinganga. Remember this time because we're not using ita.
Oh, that's
Remember
right.
the pattern is e. We don't
I.
use we don't use ita because it's present tense.
Right.
Just e. Yeah?
Kwe uta inganga.
Kwe uzinganga. Yes.
Kuzinganga.
Yes.
Kukwilu futa izinganga.
Well done. Yes. Tata David. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Wenda kiambute negwa.
Well done.
Nusala kiambo te tata.
Well done. Tata David.
Tutondele negwa.
Well done.
Ke diambu ko tata.
Well done. See, you speaking Congo, see? Yeah. Well done. Well done, Tata. Tata, yeah. Someone will be proud of you. So talking his language, yeah. David. Well done, yeah. I think we're stopping there. Let's call the day. Well done, well. Yeah, small talk. We're moving. Yeah. We're going ahead, you know.
Mm-hmm.
No turning back. Yeah. Let me just say hello to people. Okay. Okay, this is Kikongo. Tata Ale, can you try to translate into Kikongo?
Mavimpi meno a tata longi alongo ki aku.
Yeah. Everything, well done. This good sentence. We need to practice. Apply your knowledge. Tata.
Oh, you want me to translate it?
Yeah, please, yes.
Mavimpi is hello.
Yeah.
Meno.
Mm-hmm.
I guess my vimpi to well, I guess meno eno. My vimpi to okay. Hello to you and Tata and Mister.
Mm-hmm.
Longie. I know Alongiaku something to you all.
That's referring to the class, right?
Yeah, but
long is teacher. Alongoki. Remember, I always greet you Alongoki. When I send my message. Alongoki. Longi teacher. Alongoki.
Kiaku.
Alongoki. Students. Yes.
Alongoki. Okay.
Yes. Maybe I go back. Yes. Mavimpi meno. Hello to you. Yes. Literally is your hello. Yeah, but hello to you. Yes. Remember the suffix. Let me keep saying suffix. Very important. David, can you see it? Can you see that? Yes.
Yeah.
Meno. We give eno. Yes. Second plural. Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Etatan longi. Yeah. Mr. Teacher. Yes. Listen to that. Etatan longi. Alongoki. Alongoki. Student aku. Can you see aku? Suffix. Second plural. second singular. Suffix.
Why
Yeah?
didn't you use the plural?
No, it's talking to
Along
me.
okay, like
Person, yeah.
sing. Huh?
Yours. I mean, your students, yeah. Tutondele, someone greeting as well. Greeting everyone. Tutondele, thank you very much. Quick. We're running out of time. Where are we? This, but like this, that's good. Oh, hello, Beryl. Thank you very much. Tutondele. Any questions, Tatana? Yes, see? Well done, Tatana, yeah? You're able to translate Kikongo, see? Yes. Yeah. We get
Nah,
Were
to
those actual people?
Sorry?
Those are actual people?
Yeah, those are actual people that
Oh, yeah,
are
people are
watching.
commenting. Yeah, people are following us. People are live on YouTube, yes? They are. These are all the people, yeah. They're on YouTube, yes? This is on YouTube. Watching from YouTube, yeah? Tata. Watching from Facebook, yeah? Tata, yes, you did translate in Kikongo, yeah. Yeah. You should be proud of yourself. I mean, you are no longer ignorant. When you see Kikongo sentence, you can catch something, yes? Tata, yes?
Yeah.
That's good, yeah, something, yes.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah. This is it, yeah. Anyway. Thank you very much for your time, yeah. Enjoy your week. Tata Kwesi, see you next Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Brenda
Yeah.
Gambote.
Salah Campbell.
Musala
Tiambote.
Kambote.
Titende.